I know we're in the middle of the Wormleys right now, so why don't we get ready and make some gum? I like the yellow one. Well, today we're going to talk about the yellow one. And first, inside its core, it is a water ice core. That means it's created out of water and apple juice. It's the only Wormley that doesn't have a rocky one. And it's very weird. And it's very great. It's that long of a worm. You know, it's kind of like the green one with the glowing powers. But instead, we got a yellow. This yellow one is about, like, taller than my iPad. Like, taller than the screen. It's way inside its middle is the apple core. This is what is created out of the water ice. Apple juice is created out of this core, and it shoots out apple juice ice out of it. And compared to the other one, the other one just looks more like it's a unique one. It's the uniquest one. Don't say anything about this because it's half has been cut off.
Do you want to eat your snack today?
Yeah.
It's a little past snack time, but you can have it now.
Not right now.
Not right now? Okay.
So this Wormley actually has surrounding by circles on the entrance of the core. A very cool core. I mean it. Rocky water ice core. Let's talk about the red one. This red one has a rocky core. Has a rocky core made out of hydrogen and oxygen. This core makes this thing red because of its soil and super madness. It's the maddest one. Compared to our yellow friend here, they would both mix together to make our next one orange. Orange has So first we're going to talk about its core. This core is the dried up water ice core. It has the same core as our yellow friend, but bigger and dried up. If it would be smaller and if it would be brighter, then it would be comparison to the yellow. But we have to dry that thing up. And his pea friend, green has a snowy rocky core. So that means anything that Freak probably touches will be cold and very cold. Very cold. It's kind of like the yellow one, which is glow in the dark powers. We talked about this on the yellow. But then the darkest one of all of them, blue. Blue has a ginormous core, but it's a gassy core. This gassy core inside it, it's so huge that it's the whole skin of it. Even though it's dry gas, it's like another unique one out of yellow and orange. green and red are just a snitch. Okay, we call these Wormleys, and they just have cores. All they want. They all have Rocky in their core. And the large media could have killed them. But what if we had the Wormleys gone and Saturn and Earth were both colliding with each other? Well, what if Saturn and Earth collided? Well, that's going to be in Solar Smash, actually. But when they do, they'll be destroying the Wormleys. Well, that's a story for another. That's a great